Hi, this is Matt with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we'll be showing you how to repair your appliance. Remember, anytime you work on an appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we're going to show you how to install the GE washer shipping bolt kit. It's going to be very easy and should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. If you already have one of these, great. If not, you can click on the link below or get it at AppliancePartsPros.com. When you open up the package, you're going to get the new shipping bolt kit. The shipping bolt kit is used to secure the tub when you move the washer. In order to install the part, we have to go around to the back of the machine. Now we're on back, there's 4 shipping bolt covers that we have to remove. We're going to use a small flathead screwdriver to help pop them off if they're on there tight. Just lift them out and turn them down. They'll come out the same way. Now that we have the covers off, you can take a flashlight and look inside the openings. You can see the holes in there where the shipping bolts have to go. All you have to do is push the bolts in and make sure they go into the threads. Once you have it started, we can do the other 3. Once you have them all started, we can grab the 13mm socket with the ratchet and tighten them down. And we're going to kind of go around and tighten them down each a little bit at a time so it slowly pulls the tub against the back wall. Once you get to the new place, you can use the ratchet with the 13mm socket to take out all the shipping bolts, and then we can put the covers back in. Now that we have the shipping bolts out, we can plug the washer back in and take it for a spin. Thanks for joining us for another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. Check out our other repair videos on our site, Facebook, and YouTube.